In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Liquid Web Hosting affiliate link step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to apply for and generate your own unique tracking link, which you can use to earn commissions when promoting Liquid Web services. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to begin by opening the Liquid Web Hosting affiliate program page. Once you're there, look for the option that says Join or Apply and give it a click. This will initiate your process of becoming an affiliate with Liquid Web. By clicking this, you'll be showing your interest in partnering with them so that you can start earning commissions on any sales generated through your link. Next, you'll be redirected to Impact, the platform that manages Liquid Web's affiliate program. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to create an account on Impact. This is a straightforward process where you'll enter your details and set up your profile. After your account is created, the next step is to apply for the Liquid Web offer within the Impact platform. Once your application is submitted, you'll need to wait for approval. This waiting period can vary, so keep an eye out for any updates or emails from Impact regarding your application status. Once you receive your approval notification, it's time to take the next steps. Log into your Impact dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing your affiliate activities. Here, you need to locate the Liquid Web program among the various offers available. To get your unique affiliate link, look for the option that says Get Link or Create Tracking Link. Clicking this will generate a unique URL specifically tied to your account. Make sure to copy this link. It's the key to tracking any referrals or sales you generate. Now that you have your affiliate URL, it's time to put it to work. You can place this link on your website, incorporate it into banners, insert it into your social media posts, or embed it within any tracking tools that you use. The goal is to make this link visible and attractive to your audience, encouraging them to click it and engage with Liquid Web products or services. Finally, to track your success, return to your Impact dashboard frequently. Here, you'll be able to monitor the clicks and conversions generated from your link. This data is crucial for understanding how well your promotion efforts are performing. With this information, you can tweak and optimize your strategies to attract even more clicks and conversions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to obtaining your Liquid Web hosting affiliate link. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a newcomer to the affiliate world, these steps are designed to get you started on the right foot. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find success in your affiliate marketing journey.